What if a crazy product ad idea could become a real commercial using just free AI tools? I turned a canned drink frozen in ice into a cinematic ad using ChatGPT, Nano Banana 2, and Google VEO 3.1 Lite. And the result looks like a high-budget commercial. You have to see this. Okay, how did I bring my imagination to reality? I had an imagination. I said, I have a creative concept I want to bring to life for a product advertisement. It features a canned drink sealed inside a block of transparent ice. As the scene unfolds, cracks begins to spread across the ice. Building tension, eventually the ice breaks apart and a hand reaches in, picks up the can and opens it in a stylish, satisfying way. Based on my imagination, generates an image prompt and an 8-second video ad prompt for the product advertisement for the product ad. So that was my imagination. I have a product is a canned drink. So I want to put what I thought into reality using AI too. And this is the image prompt it generated. I will be copying the image prompt. Then I'll go to Google Flow AI. You must have registered with your Gmail account. Google Flow AI. I will create with, click on new project. Okay, I'm going to upload it. I will upload the reference image. There's a canned drink. The reference image, there's it. So I'll be pasting the prompt. The setting will be image. I want to generate 2 different images to see which one is better. Okay, this is it. And this is a ultra reality product advertisement of a sleek canned drink trapped inside of a canned drink trapped inside a massive transparent ice block. Okay, of the, let's say, of the attached, yeah, canned drink. Okay, let me create it. I've attached the canned drink already. Let's see what it gives to us. Wow, I have two different images. Wow, this is great. This is nice. Which one am I to use now? Let me use this one. I'll be using this one. This is nice. I will click on it. This is it. Okay. This is great. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. Okay. So the next thing is to animate it. So I will go back to the animation prompt. Okay, a canned drink in frozen inside a barrel with drop. Okay, slow cinematic closer of a canned drink in ice. Okay, this is it. Okay, I will copy it now so you can see the seconds, 8 seconds. This is the animation prompt, which I asked ChatGPT to create based on my imagination. So I'm going to click on this. Let me download this first. Then I'm going to click on this. Okay, I will click on this. I will click on animate. Yeah, animate. Open this and paste it. Then I check the video generation frames 16:9. I'm generating just 1, not 2. The VEO, okay, VEO 3.1 Lite, that's what I'm using. The next thing is to click on generate. Let us see what happens. Wow, I have it already. Let's see what it gives to us. Okay, let's open it. Wow, this is nice. Okay, this is nice. This is how to bring your imagination to reality. When you are using AI too, you have products, you just imagine something. You imagine your product on top of a wealth mountain, maybe a golden chain or whatsoever. So you can just go to ChatGPT and write your imagination and allow AI to convert your imagination into image and video prompt, and you get something like this, something unique, something that is different, Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel, and also I want you to please share and also like. Be the best.